Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Animal Crossing City Folk. We're living it up like it's summer again, doing 2 episodes in a row, which is kind of interesting. That's because, as you can probably tell by the special music, New Year's Day also counts as an event and there is a whole new item we can get. Our mailbox is full. Normally we would get letters from every single villager saying Happy New Year, but yeah, it isn't gonna happen. Not gonna happen. But if we go in our pockets and we have some space, check the board. Seriously, Nuke. Oh! Have we got a new villager today? Because Hugh moved out. No, we don't. Now, this is a very special item. It's a New Year's shirt. The reason this is so special is because if we wear it, it doesn't power on the front. But on the back, it says 2021. If you did not realise what that means there is a new version of this shirt every year. Which means there is technically limitless possibility of how many shirts you can get up until whatever year City Folks' internal clock runs out in. So yeah, you can get a lot of different versions of the New Year's shirt. This year we got the 2021 version. I'm just going to stop in and see all of our villagers. Mostly because I'm scared that one of them will be in boxes. But yeah, they will all tell us Happy New Year. And today, Happy New Year news. We can actually check Nuke Way. Let's see what he's got in store, because he was advertising his store using the New Year as a stepping point to advertise his own shop, which is kind of stupid. Oh. Well, we know how to do that. We can find in the rivers. Where is Pearl? Pearl was here a second. Okay, there you are. Yay. Okay, Marina, I'm gonna have a... Why? I always take my fishing rod with me when I'm in the house. Why would you ever leave without it? You are not fit for this world, Marina. Marina's probably so dumb that she needs Red as support to live. Red is her life support, which is probably why she hooks up with Red and gets shady deals. A traffic cone? Nah. I could use it for warnings against giant snowballs, but probably not. This is a very interesting item. A cedar sapling. The cedar sapling is interesting because it is an item, well, it's a tree, but when you plant it, it actually only grows on the top layers of your town, which is unique to that item. No other item has that kind of property to it. So that's kind of interesting. And cedar trees are those trees. These trees here. The ones with the lights on. Those are cedar trees. They only grow on the top levels of your town. If you plant them any lower than this, they will not grow, which is kind of interesting. Just at 7 p.m. And it's New Year's Day now, not New Year's Eve. So I want to tell you guys about some stuff as we head to the city. I'm gonna be blunt with you guys. I lied to you last episode. I pulled a big lie last episode, right? I wasn't sure if I wanted to actually confess this, because I don't know how it would affect your views on the New Year's episode. But I pulled a big scummy move on the New Year's episode simply because I had to. I always spend time with my family on New Year and bring in the New Year, watch the countdown. And last night when I did that, I brought down my copy of Animal Crossing New Horizons and played out the New Year. And then I came up. But you may be wondering, how did I make this video if I was playing New Horizons? Well, any Animal Crossing player, you can probably understand what I had to do to make that video yesterday. That's right. I fast forwarded time in Animal Crossing City Folk to make this video early. When it was actually New Year, so I did record it on New Year's Eve. What I did was, I set the time to about 10:45, when it was actually about 7 o'clock. And recorded the video and acted like it was New Year. I'm probably terrible at acting in that video, so you guys can probably tell. You guys probably thought something fishy was going on, but you know that I acted that. It was fake. It was all faked. It was staged. I'll admit it. The video was staged. That's basically... Oh, I'm in the model room again. That's basically what I wanted to admit to you. The New Year's Eve video, it was staged. So, now that that's not out of the way. Yeah, that's that out of the way. I'm sorry, guys, but I did do that. I faked the New Year's video. The time is now set correctly. I swear, it actually is set correctly. I'll show, like, every single device I own if I have to prove that the time is actually set correctly in this video. I'm not going to be doing that again. I will be recording the videos in real time from now on. But I just wanted to say that the New Year's video, that was staged. Now that's out of the way, I've just been doing my business in the city kind of in the background. There's nothing really interesting going on. I do need to start buying assorted stuff from Nukeway. I haven't been doing that unless I saw something I wanted, and I really shouldn't be like that with Nukeway. It really doesn't work. I have to basically just buy everything and just throw it out. So, we've done our business in the city. We checked Nukeway. We talked to some villagers. But that's a 9-minute video. I don't feel like doing a 9-minute video on City Folk. So, I'm going to reveal some stuff that I'm going to be doing in the new year. I'm going to tease some stuff, if you will. I'm going to show you this thing that I just put together. Actually, I haven't done it yet. I'll put it together after I stop recording here. And then it'll come together seamlessly in the video you're watching. That will tease Animal Crossing City Folk in the new year.